Well, food security remains a priority for the Bahamas as the nation continues adopting to new norms as a result of COVID-19. One farm in western New Providence is seeking to fill the food security void through the use of aquaponics. Lloyd Allen tells us that he's hoping to introduce healthy options with minimal impact to the environment.
It's all about a journey of re-educating locals.
It's a combination of aquaculture, where you cultivate aquarius animals, and hydroponics, where you're growing plants in a water-based environment versus conventional farming that is done in soil. So in aquaponics, you have the fish in the water that are going to excrete, and that excretion is going to intoxicate the water, but there are bacteria involved in this process called nitrifying, where you're converting this toxin into nitrogen that these plants can absorb in order to thrive.
According to greenhouse manager Kevin Nordalis, Bluefields Farm is located on a 5-acre plot utilizing a 25,000 square foot area. The facility is managed by a staff of 7 who oversee a series of steps to maintain both fish and plants, both offering nutrition to each other. More than 1,000 hybrid Nile tilapia are maintained over a 6-month period as an initial step in the operation.
Once they come in these bags here. And what we do, the first part of the process is to climatize the fish. And what you're doing is trying to get the fish acclimated into the environment that you want to put it in. Right here we have 2 tanks. These are 2,000 gallons approximately each. And they're providing water to these structures that you see inside the greenhouse.
As the fish excrete ammonia, Nitrosomonas bacteria converts it into nitrite, which is then converted into nitrate. That nitrate is fed to a number of greenhouse-controlled vegetable beds. So as you can see, these 4-month-old tilapias are nice and healthy, and in about 2 months, they'll be ready for market. Next, we move to the greenhouse.
And this is the first stage of the plant production. And this is where we seed. You guys, you can see we have various plants here. We have mint, we have spring mix lettuce, we have basil, and a bunch of other crops.
Nautilus says these seedlings are kept there for 2 weeks before being transferred to a waterbed where it will be brought to maturity. It is then inventory and includes lettuce, basil, cilantro, chives, parsley, mint, thyme, microgreens, and more. The company promotes organic protein, minimal environmental impact, organic pesticides, and an eco-friendly approach to food production. In 2016, the company launched its commercial operation servicing hotels, restaurants, and other stores. But as a result of COVID-19, most of its effort has been centered around helping to redesign the local palate into a meal that is as healthy as it is efficient. So it's a part of a symbiotic relationship. Nutrients from the fish feeding these plants, and in essence, feeding you. The only thing you have to do is bite in. Lloyd Allen, ZNS Network News.